So today I'm just going to show how I remove some of these broken studs from the cylinder head. I had two broken ones, one there and one over here on each corner. This is the one I pulled out. I've always used these extractors for broken studs or bolts. I think they work great. I don't see anything wrong with just drilling a hole, getting the right size one of these, and then like using the extractor. They always work for me. So we're gonna get to it. Perfect. All right, that's it for today. I had two broken ones. I did that one already. Just wanted to show how I got that one out. Did both of them the same way. Engine's still in the car, so I had to remove my radiator to get this one out of the way. But, you know, other than that, that's how you do it.